how to reset DeepSeek settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your DeepSeek settings in various ways. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up any browser and head over to your DeepSeek account. Then go to your profile on the bottom left and head over to settings. Now here you can go to data and then you can see delete all chats. So this will delete your chats and then reset your chat settings. Now you can see shared links and you can tap on manage and you can manage your shared links from here. And then you can see improve the model for everyone. You can toggle it on if you want to allow your content to be used to train other models and improve the services of DeepSeek, but you can toggle it off as well. And then you can go to general and then you can change the theme to dark and then you can even change the language. And you can go to profile. And then here you can put in phone number if you want to. And then if you want to reset literally everything, then you can just delete your account and start a new account. So that's it. That's how you reset your DeepSeek settings. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.